Once upon a time, in a meadow so green, lived a fluffy bunny named Queen. With ears so floppy and a nose that twitched, Queen Bunny hopped. Oh, how she pitched! One sunny day, as Queen Bunny played, she thought, I'd love an adventure, a quest, a parade. With a hop and a skip, she twirled around in the meadow where flowers abound. But wait, what's this? A wise old owl, perched on a branch with a feathered scowl. Hello, Queen Bunny, what's the cheer? In the meadow where the flowers peer. Queen Bunny giggled. I'm on a quest, an adventure with my very best, to find a treasure, shiny and bright, in the meadow where the sun is light. The wise old owl blinked with a hoot so wise. A treasure hunt, oh, what a prize! Look for clues under the flowers so sweet, in the meadow where the bunnies meet. So off she hopped in her fluffy spree, Queen Bunny on a treasure glee. She sniffed the flowers with a twitchy nose, looking for clues where the green grass grows. But as she hopped, a giggle so near, a butterfly fluttered in colours clear. Hey, Queen Bunny, what's the chase? A treasure hunt in this bunny space? Queen Bunny smiled. Yes, my fluttery friend, a shiny treasure, let's pretend. Have you seen clues in the sunny mead, under flowers or a mushroom bead? The butterfly twirled with a wingy spin. Follow the rainbow where the colours grin. Maybe there's a treasure, oh so rare, in the meadow where the bunnies share. Queen Bunny hopped with a leap so light, chasing the rainbow, oh what a sight! Through the meadow where the flowers gleam, in a treasure quest like a fluffy dream. But wait, what's this? A daisy so bright, with a note attached, oh what a delight! Follow the sunflowers in a line so true, the treasure awaits just for you. Queen Bunny giggled, thank you, dear note, to the sunflowers I'll happily float. So off she hopped, with a fluffy prance, in the meadow where the sunflowers dance. As Queen Bunny reached the sunflower row, she found a clue, in a meadow glow. Under the oak tree, where the acorns fall, the treasure is waiting, tall and small. With excitement in her bunny heart, Queen Bunny hopped, ready to start. To the oak tree, with its branches wide, in the meadow where the treasure might hide. But as she hopped, a giggle so sweet, a little squirrel with tiny feet. Hello, Queen Bunny, what's the quest? A treasure hunt. Oh, what a fest! Queen Bunny nodded. Yes, my furry friend, a shiny treasure, around the bend. Have you seen it? Under the tree so grand? In the meadow, where the acorns land? The squirrel chattered with a whiskery glee. Check the hollow, where the roots be. Maybe the treasure, sparkling and bright, is waiting for you in the oak tree's light. Queen Bunny hopped with a bunny swirl to the oak tree, with its roots a-twirl. She peered in the hollow with eager eyes, in the meadow where the sun did rise. And there it was, a shiny surprise, a treasure chest before her eyes. She opened it up with a bunny cheer, in the meadow where the treasure was near. But inside, oh what a surprise! It was filled with carrot pies, sweet and orange, a bunny delight, in the meadow where the day turned to night. Queen Bunny giggled, carrot pies so sweet, what a treasure, a bunny treat. Thank you, meadow, for this delight, in the moonlight, so soft and bright. And so, in the meadow where the flowers bloom, Queen Bunny enjoyed her carrot pies in the gloom. She hopped back to her burrow under the moonlight, whispering, Good night, meadow, sleep tight. And in the quiet of the night, so still, the meadow slept, under the moonlight's thrill. With dreams of bunnies and treasures so right, a sweet good night until the morning light. Once upon a time, in a tiny ant town, lived a busy ant named Brown. With 6 little legs and a tiny red hat, Brown worked hard. Oh, imagine that! In the ant town so small, with hills of brown, the ants worked together, up and down. Their tiny ant feet moved in a trance as they marched, collecting food in a dance. One sunny morning, in the ant abode, Brown woke up from his tiny ant abode. "Hello, my ant friends, rise and shine. It's time to work. Oh, what a sign!" The ant town buzzed with a morning hum as ants scurried, their work begun. Brown stood tall, his antennae a twitch, ready to lead, and not a glitch. The ants gathered round, a bustling crew, with buckets and bags. Off they flew, through the grass and over the pebble stones, in the ant world, where teamwork hones. Their goal was simple, oh so clear, to gather food without a fear. Brown raised his tiny ant flag. Let's march together without a lag. So off they went, a tiny ant parade, through the meadow, in the sun and shade. With a marching rhythm and a little song, the ants worked diligently, all day long. But wait, what's this? A crumb so big, Brown called out, doing a little jig. Ants unite, let's carry it high, back to our town, oh my, oh my. The ants rallied, with cheers so loud, as they hoisted the crumb, a mighty crowd. Brown shouted, "Left, right, left, back to our town where we rest." Through the grass and over the hill, the ants marched on, with a mighty skill. The crumb, so big, wobbled and swayed, but the ants worked together. Oh, what a parade! As they reached their tiny ant town, Brown smiled, his tiny eyes a crown. "Good job, my ant friends, oh so grand. Now let's feast in our tiny land." The ants celebrated with a feast so small, sharing the crumb standing tall. Brown thanked his friends with a bow so slight, in the ant town where the day turned to night. But wait, what's this? A falling leaf. Brown saw it and felt a tiny grief. "It's a shelter. Let's carry it near to our tiny abode without a fear." The ants scurried with a leaf so wide, carrying it home with ant pride. Brown shouted, "Left, right, left, our tiny home where we rest." Through the meadow and over the stream, the ants worked together, like a team. With the leaf held high, a tiny shield, they marched to their town with an ant field. Back in their cosy ant abode, Brown thanked his friends, and he showed that with teamwork, big or small, ants could conquer, one and all. As the night fell in the ant town so snug, Brown whispered, "Good night, my bug. Rest your legs and close your eyes tight in the tiny ant town under the moonlight." And so, in the quiet of the tiny night, the ants slept under the moonlight's soft light, dreaming of crumbs and leaves so right, a sweet good night until the morning light.